Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys, thank you for your support. In today's video, we're going to do a review about Ecoinx.Online. As you can see guys here, they are promising you 300 USD bonus. Okay, let's dive through guys. Okay, now guys, you have to choose block cancel. You have to choose. Okay, as you can see, you can double your money in 3 hours. And here you have to choose your coin below. Which coin do you want to earn? Okay, I'm going to choose Dogecoin. And then you have to enter your Dogecoin address. Minimum deposit is 50 Doge. After you have, all new users will get free 300 USD worth of Doge. Really? Okay, now I've put it my Doge address, and now as you can see guys, I've received 300 USD worth of Dogecoin. New user bonus. Okay. Now let's scroll down. As you can see, my account. Withdraw my money. Press on withdraw. Yeah, you can see. Say okay, you can read all these things. Use a bonus of 300 USD worth of Dogecoin are now ready to send you on your Doge wallet address. Deposit at least minimum. Send your investment on the wallet address provided below. 300 USD worth of Dogecoin will be sent automatically on your wallet once you deposit one confirmation on network. Send your investment on Dogecoin wallet address appeared below. Minimum deposit 50 Doge. Just imagine guys, these people, they will scam you guys. They will scam you. You will earn $10 of Dogecoin every successful investment. Nah. Don't fall for it, guys. Don't fall for it. Ecoinx.Online. They will scam you guys. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.